Hi all, today I have a very quick tutorial for you on how to download a background image from your Squarespace website. On this channel, I have a lot of tutorials regarding Squarespace and website design in general, so if you're curious, make sure to check them out as well. I'm on my website here and I want to download this image from the background. And if I just right click on the screen and click Save As, it will actually, let's click Save, it will start downloading the whole HTML file, and I don't want to do that. The way you can approach that is by right clicking and then navigating to Inspect, and you're going to open up this developer tool on Chrome. It's important that you do this on Chrome as Safari does not have this capabilities. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this arrow over here and make sure to select this particular section that you're trying to download the background image. And then navigate back to the developer tool. And it's very useful because once you highlight the element, it actually will show you what element is highlighted. Navigate to section border, and then from there, section background and section background corner. And from here, if I hover over this link, it's actually showing me the image. I can click on it and then select this image. It will open up the image in a new tab. And from here, all you have to do is right click and save image as, and you give it a name and save it. And so now the image that I wanted it's right here. It's been saved on my desktop. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.